Yeah, it's that time of the year. I bought a completely busted Amiga 3000 keyboard with battery damage. Let me show you. And most importantly, no processor, no coprocessor, and no custom chips. So I have my 3000, my Amiga board, which is not working right now, and I'm planning to fix this one, and part 1 of that video will be out very soon. Already got a coprocessor here, waiting for the processor, which I got for 10 euros, which is a steal if it really works. I have no idea. New sockets and all the good stuff. So stay tuned.